Another mistake is ignoring drawdowns. Every equity curve contains drawdowns. They are not a flaw, they are part of the structure. If your lifestyle depends on trading, drawdowns become pressure, and pressure changes behavior. That is why professionals separate capital. They do not rely on trading profits to cover immediate living expenses. They build buffers, a buffer outside the trading account to cover life, and a buffer inside the account to absorb variance. This separation protects decision quality because trading under financial pressure turns small losses into emotional events, and emotional trading does not scale. Living from trading is not about hitting a number, it is about managing variability. Most people focus on how much they want to earn. Very few focus on how much inconsistency they can tolerate. But tolerance for inconsistency is what determines sustainability. Another important truth is that income extraction must be conservative. If this short helped, the full video completes the picture. Browse Phantom Trader channel for the full series.